Hi guys, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Exams Hangout Law Academy. You know that we have been tracking the counseling process of TS LawSet and PGLSet ever since the official notification of TS LawSet and PGLSet was released. On the 11th of December, newspaper advertisement was published in some of the daily newspapers in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Now, the Telangana State Council of Higher Education has released the detailed notification for web-based council, wherein they talked about the important dates of the counseling process. In this particular video, let us go through the important dates of the counseling process. And the first event which I have given is the issue of notification, which was released on the 11th of December 2020. And the online registration cum certificate verification and online payment along with uploading scanned copies of certificates for verification will commence from the 14th of December 2020 and will end on the 22nd of December 2020. And so make sure that you have enough money in your card to pay the online fee. And the physical verification of special category certificates, that is NCC, CAP, PWD and sports quota by slot booking, will commence on the 19th of December 2020 and will end on the 22nd of December 2020. So the physical verification is done at some counseling centers, which I'll discuss in the later part of this video. And display of registered candidates will be published on the 24th of December, and web options can be exercised from the 26th of December to 27th of December, and the edition or editing of web options will be available till the till 5 p.m. on 28th of December 2020, and the list of provisionally selected candidates will be prepared college wise and will be placed in the website. So this is named as phase 1, and the list will be placed on 29th of December 2020, and reporting to the college concerned colleges for verification of original certificates along with tuition fee payment challan will start on the 29th of December and will end on 31st of December. So this is where you have to go physically to the college and submit your original certificates and pay the tuition fee. And phase 2 is not announced yet and will be announced later. And what are some other instructions which are given here? Mere attending of the web counseling does not guarantee a seat. So this is published every year. And other most important thing which aspirants miss on is this notification itself is a call for web counseling. No separate call letters are sent to the individual candidates. Most important thing here. Don't expect that the LawSet authorities will send you an email or phone call inviting you for the counseling process. No, that's not going to happen. This notification itself is a call for web counseling, and no separate call letters will be sent to the individual candidates. And this is very important. And what is the processing fee? It is 800 rupees for the general candidates and 500 rupees for SC and STs. So make sure that your card has enough money. And tuition fees and seats available under the convener quota will be notified on TSCHE website. And fees reimbursement is subject to the guidelines issued by government from time to time. So the eligibility and all, you know it well. And other important thing is about the counseling centers or helpline centers for special category. So for CAP, NCC and PH and sports quota, they have designated counseling centers which will be available from the 18th of December to 22nd of December. From 18th to 19th at Nizam College, which is in Bashir Bagh, Hyderabad, the web counseling or the physical counseling or helpline center will be open for sports category students. And from 19th to 20th, so the counseling center will be open for NCC candidates at online counseling center, which is at PGRRCDE, that is Professor G Ram Reddy College for Distance Education, which is again at Usmania University, Hyderabad. And other counseling center is at Directorate of Admissions, which is in Kakatiya University, Warangal. And for CAP students, it will commence on 21st, and it is same at the online counseling center, which is at Professor G Ram Reddy College for Distance Education, Usmania University, Hyderabad. And other counseling center is a Directorate of Admissions, which is at Kakatiya University, Varangal. So they gave two centers, one in Hyderabad and other in Varangal. And for sports quota, there is no center in Varangal, it is only at Hyderabad, that too in Nizam College. And on 22nd, for PWD, that is or for physically handicapped students, online counseling center, which is again at PGRR CDE, Usmania University, and other at Varangal. So these are the important counseling centers. If you are someone who belongs to sports quota, get ready on 18th and visit the counseling center and submit your certificates. And same is the case with NCC, CAP, and PWD students on the respective dates. And the important certificates, already I made a video on the same. So all the special category candidates have to visit the centers physically at the designated dates and will have to submit the certificates. So there is no update given on uh, the commencement of online classes, but the counseling process is likely to end on the 31st of December. So most probably from the month of January 2021, the online classes are likely to commence. So this is about the detailed application or the detailed counseling notification, which is released by TSCHE. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Exams Hangout and click on the bell icon to never miss an update when we upload a video. We'll be tracking the counseling process back to back, and every detail will be explained through videos on our YouTube channel. So make sure that you click on the bell icon and get the update when we upload a video. Bye bye. See you all in the next video.